My name is David, and this is Paracord Design. Today, I'm bringing you a short tutorial with the design, the Demon, and the Slayer anime-themed paracord bracelet. In inspiration of the anime Kimetsu no Yaiba. Alright. Basically how you want to start this off. I'll be using 6 feet of paracord, and I'll be using the survivor buckles for this design and 2 strands of cord. Like I said, the cords are about 6 feet long, each of them. I've already started some of this. You want to start with a base cow's hitch at one end and the loop over and the cords coming out the side. Alright, let's begin. This will be a short tutorial. First off, what you want to do is you want to take your side cords and you want to bring them across. I'm doing the left over the right on this tutorial. I'm going to take the cords and pretzel twist them once and bring the cords underneath, making sure they're nice and tight. Next, you're going to take your left cord and you're going to loop it over once and then over twice on the number 3 strand on the pattern. Then you're going to come under and you're going to do the same thing to the outside cord number 4, and you're going to repeat this process on the opposite side as well. You want to make sure that when you bring this cord over the outside, you want to take your other cord from the right and put that in with the pattern. You want to loop over that so that holds that in place, and you're going to do a second loop, and then you're going to take that and you're going to take the cord that came through the loops. You want to take that over to one side, and so that you can tie off the double loops that were done right here. And you're going to take the one more time over the number 4 strand, and you're going to loop over from underneath and then come back out above the cord, and you're going to tie it off into a knot. And then pull the slack out on that, and that's going to come for the next set of loops. It's an alternating, one cord will come from the inside, one will come from the outside, and then it'll follow the pattern all the way through. You're going to do the same thing over here on the left side as well, making sure you're all nice and tightened up. And then the second loop, you want to make sure you stay below on the second pass, as I keep making that mistake. You want to try and even up your cords so that they uniform throughout the entire weave. Then you're going to do the same thing for this one here. Bring your other cord through and loop over twice. And then tighten up your cords as much as you can. I'm using 10 inches on this one because of the buckle. It has ripped me up a little bit. So yeah, I'm using these survival buckles, and that little flint and steel do hurt quite a bit. Then try and even up your cords. Try to pull any looseness out. and then you're going to repeat the process for the second set. You're going to do the same thing again. Loop over, and then that. Alright, that'll be it. My name is David. This is I Am the Cebro Paracord Design. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And also, if you want to check out my Instagram, I'll leave it linked below in the description and pinned on the comments. You can follow me at cord_550_Dave. Thank you, and have a nice day.